I've been going through Eggman's files, and I keep finding references to a dormancy protocol. It sounds like it'd ruin his plans. Do you know what that is, REM?
Of course. The Dormancy Protocol is a safeguard my creators installed to shut down the Reverie, should it fall into the wrong hands. When I get my powers back, I have to trigger it to ensure the Doctor's influence is erased. Once complete, the Reverie will lock down and be completely inaccessible.
For how long?
As you perceive time, a millennium.
1,000 years? But what happens to you?
I wait. A Guardian must be prepared to sacrifice everything for their cause.
Tails, is there anything you can do?
Well, I am learning a lot about how the Reverie works, but it's difficult to say. The best thing we can do is collect more data.
Then there's no time like the present. Let's do it to it.